Hello and welcome to AI News on Friday the 1st of September 2023. Most interesting thing to me that's happened this week in AI is OpenAI have launched ChatGPT for Enterprise. What this means is it's a new version using the fastest GPT-4. You will have unlimited access to use this, unlike the current paid version where you only have 50 for every 3 hours. It will be higher speed. Your data will not be used in training models, and also the context windows will be bigger, which means it'll be more human-like when responding. DeepMind have also launched a tool for adding watermarks to AI-generated art and testing whether art it has been generated by AI. We've shared a really interesting video which is worth watching. For the first time, AI has beat humans in a drone race, which to me sounds extremely meta. We have AI or machine-powered machines beating human-powered machines. An Arabic language chatbot called Jais, I think, has been launched in the UAE. In terms of real-world applications, we have seen a soft robotic AI drug implant launched for chronic illnesses. That is quite the mouthful to get out. What this does is it can move through your body, it can work out whenever it's being rejected or tissues being built up, and it can release medicine for conditions such as diabetes. Call of Duty is also going to be using AI in their platform moderation to try and worm out some toxic behaviour. What we've been focusing on, which has really been in loads of news articles this week, is that the UK is lagging behind in AI regulation. 2 reports have been released from the House of Commons, one from the Science, Innovation and Technology Committee called The Governance of AI, which sets out 12 challenges which need to be addressed by the government if we are going to have safe AI in this country. Some of them include bias, privacy, misrepresentation, employment. A very interesting read. The report itself calls for the government to do more, and it also calls for the King to include something about AI in the King's speech. The other report is from the Culture, Media and Sports Committee, and it's been looking at connected technology, AI and creative technology. In this report, MPs are calling for the government to abandon plans to change copyrights to allow AI to use art and music without the normal copyright rules applying. On the subject of copyrights, it has also been pointed out by some researchers that copyrights on the Welsh language literature is slowing down the development of Welsh language chatbots, which were originally showing great promise on ChatGPT. And finally, the National Cyber Security Centre in the UK has released 2 blogs on the security of chatbots, particularly for large language models, explaining how businesses can avoid prompt injection attacks and training data being poisoned. These blogs are really worth a read if you are using chatbots in your business. And finally, on investment, we have seen a Tel Aviv company, A221 Labs, I think is how it's pronounced, getting an enormous Series C round. Superframe, who use AI to do complex Salesforce integrations, have done a seed round, as have LoomAI, who want to help data teams design great data products. That's it in AI News for this week. Join us again next Friday.